Right, here comes the pack opening.
FIFA 13.
Gold packs.
Packs opening.
Starting at 150 ones, straight down to business. And we're off to a bad start. But he's quick, we know he's quick. We actually already have him, he's 91 pace there.
I didn't even know who he was, to be honest.
Star Island Club.
He's probably the only Canadian that features in the game.
No, I say there's a few of them in the MLS league.
Yeah, not cold though. Right, second pack.
Second pack will stay with the 150s. Muna? Who the fuck is Muna? Oh, look, he's a goalkeeper. Shite. Oh, I like these. Love getting these in a pack. It just means instant cash. Couple of shite bags then. Like things like this. Like this. Like who even needs them?
Someone that had a foot injury, I suppose. Pack 3. Going up. Come on, EA.
Come on, Ronaldo. Oh my god.
Memory.
It's not Ronaldo anyway.
No,
No, it's another goalkeeper. We're going to have a squad of goalkeepers and then finish there. Wait, this Allen fella is definitely going to sell anyway. I like the look of Allen. I'd say he's worth a few coins.
That's a nice formation card.
Yeah, that'll sell.
Pack 4.
Charlie Adam.
No.
Yes, it is. I see him already. Ruddy. Oh, look, another one of these. I love these.
When you're ready to apologise, go fire ahead, okay?
Right, what's the bets? 1,000 coins.
I get 1,000 coins, yeah.
From a pack opening, 1,000 coins.
Yep.
That's Charlie Adam. Thousand coins in a pack opening, lads.
No problem. When did he move this?
Keep updated, mate. Keep fucking updated.
He's not gonna sell.
He will. Look. Sold.
Pack 5.
Attaboy R. Haven't got him actually. He's too dark for my squad. Look at this. Jesus, fitting the city tonight.
He is joking, by the way, guys.
Well, point proven. I knew my phone would ring during this. Yeah, just so I'd hear the old ringtone.
Turn your phone upside down so it's muted.
Next pack.
Over a small pack.
After this one. Boateng. What's the point in giving me Boateng? Like, I'm just going.
It's not even Boateng, Jim, it's Bottia.
Oh my god.
Boateng.
Oh, look at this.
Oh.
Yeah, that.
Can't take no for an answer.
That is worth a few quid now.
3 lists for 150.
As always, comes looking for them.
Right, Parks.
Need to improve a little bit.
Pack 6 or 7.
I don't know.
Benjamin Foster.
It's all about the Benjamins. I used to like him last year.
Yeah.
I'd say he'll sell.
Yeah. 200. This isn't an auction video, please. Can you just store items? Thank you, please.
Ben Foster.
I already said that.
What a waste of space.
You just went for a big pack again.
Yeah, I'm just bringing it down to 1,000 coins. Gomez! Is that Mario? Right, okay. I bet you he goes for about 2,000 coins now that I'm after getting in a pack.
That goes for 750. I thought that was like Bruce for a second. It kind of looks like him. Doesn't it?
He does. Say he might sell, but
Yeah, you probably go for 400 or 10.
I'm not going to take the risk with him. Right, so 10 of these little packs now.
10. Come on, EA.
What the fuck name is this?
Silver Alley.
Can you stop trying to pronounce? Jeez, he's quick. He's a quick motherfucker anyway.
That's Selassie, yeah, he's real fucking popular.
Is he?
Yeah.
Terrible.
He'll go for about 5 grand.
He's 41212 as well there, so I should really be listing these because they're the trade pile. I want to get clogged up otherwise.
You've only 9 packs to go.
And you have a bellend behind you that obviously doesn't do enough pack openings. By the way, this pack opening was actually given to me by Dokes Gaming for free. They're great. Have a pack to give away as well, but oh, Terabit, Moroccan. But if I don't get anyone good, I'm not giving away the pack this week. Because actually, these are cunts. You don't even watch the videos.
We need one player from now to the end of this video to be over 84 rated for that free pack to be given away.
That's actually a good enough deal. We actually already got Gomez's stats.
That's why I said from now on. Yeah, buddy.
Nobody's 84 rated there.
We'll be leaving that €20 pack opening.
Why are you doing that?
What? It's not my fault I have a speech impediment there, Jim. Right. This guy just keeps on doing it. I don't know why he doesn't store all and stop doing this.
Because I've only got a 68 out of 70 now.
Consumables, yeah.
Yeah, so how can I start them all? Retard. Karate, who the fuck
Oh
is...
shit, he's 85 right? No. You got Adriano, he might sell, no? Oh no, he doesn't sell, sorry.
Does he not? The fella from Yoke, from Barca?
I don't know. I think we got him the last time, we had a quick sell. We'll try if you want, because...
That'd be quite nervous if I done that.
It would be. Considering you have 1,200 worth of contracts there.
I'd say he might sell. But
So we'll put just about done.
I'll get the rest of them.
6 packs left.
Trade pile's fairly empty, I think.
For you. Not alright. You going Raven? No hope.
I think I'll go, oh, Hooper.
Very
He's
good.
quick, actually.
76 rated DS, that's ridiculous. Big bronze in that league.
Yeah, he should be.
Is that a phone call again?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Like, what are you doing that for?
Good feeling about a big pack. Martins.
Femi Martins.
Yeah, it is him as well.
Well, there's only one Martins. He'll sell as well.
I dare tell so.
Bender. You're selling that for the same as the silver one. That will sell. Why did you quick sell the RF to RW?
Wasn't an RF to LW. It's LF to LW.
Oh.
They don't sell.
Reese.
Reese that is, Jim. Reese. Fucking Reese. Look at him.
Met sell there, I would sell.
43 pace.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what he'll do. He'll quick sell.
Any packs left after?
No, not too many left. I don't know how many it is though. I'm just gonna send everything here to tripod. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow on Keenan88 on Twitter. Follow back as well. I just gotta quick sell these dopes. Last 2 packs. Wouldn't mind Benzema even. Oh my god, I don't even know who that is.
Petri. From Fulham as well. I'm just giving you a couple of United players now.
Or just TLW players. I'd accept any TLW player. That Gareth Bale TLW would fit right into my team actually.
Yeah.
Right in.
Quick sell your normal Gareth Bale.
I would if I got him TLW. I'd just quick sell the other fat. Or Raul, oh my god, the highlight of the pack is a retard. Right, well there's the pack open. If you see anyone that you like, you're welcome to ask me for them. Whether or not you'll get them now is another situation, but if you leave, I'll tell you what, I'll donate whoever you ask for if you leave a funny comment underneath this video. I'll donate to you. Otherwise, you better be funny or else I'm not going to watch it. Well, there you go guys, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter and enjoy the video.